Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia Shay. Today we're going to be doing a closet clean out and I'm excited. As you guys can probably tell, I'm standing right in front of my closet. But what y'all don't know, what you guys are about to see in this closet is really only 1/4 of the clothes I have, if not 1/3. I think it's actually just a quarter because yeah, this is nothing. I feel like every time I'm talking to you guys about clothes, it's like this is just some of them, but this is one closet. I also have behind on the other side of my room, I have a wardrobe, like those ones that aren't built in, so like it has clothes hanging and it has clothes in the drawers there. I have a dresser with like 5-6 drawers of clothes, and I have all the clothes that I took with me to university still packed up. Those are in bins and in the closet downstairs because, you know, laziness. Actually no, it's because I really wanted my closet to be organized before I tried to unpack anything. So what you guys are gonna see in here is mostly like dressy clothes. Yeah, dressy clothes, because I did intend for this to just be like my dress clothes and then my other clothes get folded or put in the other wardrobe. So yeah, but I'm gonna kind of change that now and you guys are gonna see how I kind of transform this and make use of all this space in the closet. I'm very organized in my closet most of the time, but because I haven't been here for, you know, I moved out for university, everything's in a mess and they're no longer color coordinated and some of the clothes in here are not even mine. So just bear with me when we open this and reveal this closet. And I'm so excited because I really do love to clean and I love to organize my clothes. I just love to deal with clothes, hold clothes, fold them, hang them. Like, it's just what I love to do. So I'm really excited to actually do this, and I kind of held off on it a little bit just so I could have more to do when I actually do it. So yeah, I'm about to have a lot of fun. You guys will see that. So if you're interested in seeing this closet clean out, just keep on watching. Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh honey, I'm actually scared because I know I don't like how it looks, so y'all probably not gonna like how it looks, but it is what it is. This is why we're cleaning it out, okay? Okay. So this is the closet. This is the closet. On top, I had a bunch of like my childhood things that I now have moved to the garage because they were just stuffed in there while I went to university because my room was actually changed into like a guest room for like a year and some. So yeah, but I cleared off everything that's on the top, and then also what's on the bottom. I found some bins of things that were on the bottom and I'll show you guys what they were, but that's that. This is the first side, and this is the second side. Yeah, this mixed matching type of something, this is not for me, this is not for I. So yeah, this is what it's like. Those were just like random little blankety things that I had, but I do have all of this space up here. And then I have all of this. So prettiest dress. But yeah, so I have all, look at this humongous, like, no. You see, this is what we don't need. So yeah, we're gonna clear this out. Some of these. The amount of blazers that you guys are about to see or already have seen, like the blazer with the dress underneath with the okay, that's what we does. That's what we does, and that's how we do it. Ooh, see, like it was a little organized. Like right here is like some oranges, maybe. Okay, yeah, no, okay, fine. Bunch of jackets that don't even belong to me. So we gonna put y'all somewhere else. Yeah, this is everything. Once, whew, gosh, it's a lot. This is everything. This is everything outside of my closet. So yeah, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Everything is empty, completely empty. And we cleaned it out. Now I'm just gonna vacuum it, wipe down the top because it's actually very dusty. So I bought some of the clothes and they're more color coordinated than everything else I have right now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add that into the closet first, and then I'm going to, you know, y'all look at this. Y'all look at this. Look at this. Okay. I'm hot. I'm gonna just put the things into my closet, and then afterwards we gonna work out which color I want in front and all of that. I just kind of want to get this piled down a little, get some stuff in there. Yeah. Right now there's one shelf right here on my closet, and my dad and I decided that we want to put another shelf in there just so I can like store like big chunky sweaters. You know, I'm actually trying to put 2 shelves because there's that much room in there to do so. But right now we don't have enough wood just left over in the garage, and we wanted to kind of just do this without having to spend money. So, but we may just go to Home Depot and grab a piece of wood. I don't know, but I do want some sort of like bottom storage, also to like put my shoes, put some shoes in there. We don't know yet, but yeah, I want to show you guys that kind of like vision before I continue with anything else. Okay, the fact that I already had these pieces color coded from before just makes it 10 times easier to just like stick in there and like place. It does look a little rainbow-ish, but I'm trying to get it to where if I open it, I'm gonna get the most likely thing I'm gonna grab, you know? And I don't like colors looking, no. So we're gonna change it again, yes. Now I have this dress. It's like this metallic-y, it's a pretty print. It's a metallic-y, has chocolate brown in it, and then like some pinks. And I don't know if I want to put those with the pinks or with the brown, you know? Because if I put it with the pink, then I could put this on the same hanger as this, you know? But if I put on the browns, then I could pair it with a brown. So stuff like this, it would just depend on like what I have. If I have too much brown, then I'm like, okay, let me just put this with the pinks, and then I don't know, maybe I'm just doing the most. It's hard for me because I've never combined my dressy clothes with my casual clothes in the same closet, and like now I kind of have to, and it's weird because I don't want to see a dress and then 2 seconds later like the next item is like a t-shirt. Like, you know, I don't know, maybe that makes me sound a little bougie, I don't know, but that's just my struggle right now. Okay, it's not like I'm gonna put, okay, the casual clothes first and then dressy clothes second, because I don't got time for all of that. I don't got time for that. I don't want to have so many colors. Like, then I'll probably reach a casual red, you know, after going through everything, and I don't want to see red when I open this side of my closet, you know. I want to see red on that side. Anyways, y'all, I know a lot of these things honestly can go, but I don't know if I like options when I go to church and when I go to events and church related events and just things that I dress up for. So maybe not, but like this, for example, this is like an off the shoulder, you know, it's fitted, it fits nicely. Ooh, this would look nice with a really like a body wave, or like a half up half down body wave. Ah, this set, man. Summer 2020 would have been nice. So would have been nice. There you go. I'm like stacking so many pinks onto this pink, but these are like the more ashy pinks, you know, and these are like the more like vibrant pinks, darker. Look at that bodysuit, so cute. Maybe I'll do a separate video of me actually like going through and cleaning out what I don't want. I'm kind of more so just putting things in, and if I really see something I don't want, then boom. But like I need like the, you know, I don't know where to put this. Things like this, okay, the other things are on it, but ball gowns like this is like one of my favorites, to be honest, because look how sick. Are you stupid? Anyways, I don't know where to put this because this is the issue. Like, do I have this and then a red t-shirt right beside it? Like, I don't know. And then I don't want it on the floor. I feel like honestly all of these, I have a navy blue one, I have just a regular burgundy one, I have purple ones, a royal blue one, like stuff like that. I'm gonna put them, I feel like I'm gonna put them in like a suit bag and honestly just leave it at the back of my closet, because I can't with the floor business and the different colors. I'm gonna just, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them all in a suit bag. I have these on deck because I be traveling, changing, etc. all the time, whether it's dancing, whether it's literally I just have multiple outfits I gotta change into. So yeah, so luckily I have those on deck. But yeah, I'm gonna just put them in like these suit bags and put that at the back of my closet because it'll help protect them too. So look at this, look at it. I'm like, it's like a lilac. We got the burgundy. I should do a video like trying all the dresses, trying on all the dresses in my closet video. I should do that. If y'all want it, let me know, because that'd be fun. Yo, I be going places, I be dressing. Like, but I don't know, like this is not gown because it's not like super, like it passes my calves. Yo! Oh, look at my kidney, look at my uniform, 2 dresses. Look at the tie and the undershirts. Look at my 2 dresses. Like, this is not going nowhere either. Like, I'm keeping this forever, okay? This is, honey, might have to separate this into 2 videos, not sure, because I do want to wait for my velvet hangers to come through, but I also want to do like a reveal for you guys, but I don't want you guys to have to sit through like a half an hour long video just to get the reveal. So maybe I'm gonna looking like the smaller one is a better choice. Boom. So these 2 small ones are the ones that I use, and those we can get rid of. This is what we're gonna use, baby. These are the boards that we're gonna put in, but I completely forgot that I wanted to paint them white beforehand. But it's whatever, I'll just paint them white like later on in life, like maybe in like a month or so. I'll just paint them afterwards. Because we get these in today, baby. Get them in today. Yeah, so kind of a bit of an update. I put more clothes in the closet, and some of them I just moved. Some of them I just put here out the way, so they have, that's why they have the, you know, the mixed matching hangers. But my hangers did come in. They came in early, and this is about half of them. I ordered 50. And also, my dad put in some shelves for me. I completely forgot to paint them white before we actually put them up, so I'll just do that after the fact. So we just like, this is literally just stuff that was just in the garage. We did not want to spend money on this. I mean, he went and bought this and white because I wanted a white one. But yeah, so I'm gonna paint that. Ooh, gotta paint that and those. I'm gonna start putting some stuff in there. But yeah. Okay, yeah, guys, that's the update for now. This is really gonna have to go into 2 videos just because I don't want to make you guys stay here forever, and I want to be able to actually give you guys a final look at everything, and I don't know when that's finna be. But we did go from a horrible, disastrous mess to at least a semi-coordinated, almost all velvet closet. I'm just gonna finish up and put like the rest of these things on velvet hangers and put some other things in the closet. I'm going to continue to stack things into these shelves. I don't know how I'm going to do it. That's why I don't want to sit here too long and like try and go back and forth, because I really will be going back and forth until I see everything and see which colors I want where. So that will just be a lot of unnecessary footage. Also, I wanted to put like a dresser in the bottom so I can put other clothes there. So like, it's just a lot that still has to go into the closet before it's really like a final look at it. But y'all getting the gist. I'm also going to be doing a styling the clothes I'm getting rid of because I have a lot of things that I'm getting rid of, and I wanted to be able to actually style them in a video for you guys and show you guys how you can actually style them. Many of them are cute, they just don't fit, or I'm just picky because I don't want to wear too much colors. So like, there's nothing wrong with the pieces. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll see you guys in my next video.